This is Grog. Lately, he mulling over something. The Great Trading Rock. What is it? Why does it make the cave people excited one day
Good.
and
Not good.
terrified the next? Grog does not understand. What is this strange game, and why does everyone care so much about these little tusk pieces? To understand, we must start with Grog's big problem. Grog is a good hunter, but a mammoth is a very big hunt. Grog needs a bigger tribe and much better spears, but to get those things, he needs the one thing that can buy anything in the valley: shiny rocks. And Grog has no shiny rocks. But Grog has an idea, a very clever idea. What if he could get other cave people to give him their shiny rocks by selling pieces of his future hunts? Grog starts new hunting tribe, Grog's Great Hunt. Grog was very excited for the
I
announcement.
break this tusk into 10 pieces. You give Grog one shiny rock. Grog give you one piece of the mammoth tusk. When Grog's tribe hunt mammoth, everyone with tusk piece get big share of the mammoth meat. More meat than you ever see.
And just like that, Grog's tribe is born. He has sold shares of his company. The cave people who bought them are his investors, or tusk holders. Grog uses his new shiny rocks to buy strong, sharp spears and convince other hunters to join his tribe. Grog's tribe and tusk holders are happy because they had a very good hunting season. But this creates a new problem. Monk is happy with his meat, but now he needs his shiny rock back to fix a leak in his cave. Zog missed the first sale, and now he wants to buy a tusk piece. How do they find each other? For this, the valley created a special place, the Great Trading Rock. This is a stock market. It is simply a place where rock holders can meet to trade their tusk pieces with each other. The wise old caveman is the broker. His job is to etch the price, the rocks per tusk piece, for everyone to see.
I caught Grog's tusk is 2 stones.
The price is now 2 shiny rocks because Grog's tribe had a successful hunt. But what makes the price really change? Suddenly, the news count counts.
Good news! Grog's tribe found a valley of mammoths. The hunt will be easy. So much meat.
The news is good, so the demand is high. Everyone wants to buy, but very few want to sell. The broker has no choice but to raise the price.
4 stones.
But the next day,
Bad news! A saber-tooth tiger attacked Grog's camp and broke all of the new spears.
the news is bad. The supply of tusk pieces for sale is huge, but the demand has vanished. To convince anyone to buy, the sellers must lower their price. And that is the stock market. It's not magic. It's a giant meeting place where people trade tiny pieces of companies based on news, stories, sentiment, and the simple hope of getting a bigger share of the next great mammoth hunt. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a tusk piece. You are betting on that tribe's skill, their technology, and their future.